Okay guys, maybe if we go to the store. Okay, everything is there, peep! Unlimited coins and unlimited gems, everything on my account just as I wanted. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new gaming tutorial. And in today's tutorial we will be showing you how you can get cooking fever, unlimited coins and unlimited gems, free save and online without download any mobile APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step and you'll be having unlimited gems and unlimited coins, guys. First, open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type your address right here, appspatch.com, and search your game or any app from the list. Okay guys, I find Cooking Fever, perfect, and enter your username. Guys, please enter correct username in your Cooking Fever account or game, of course. Give me a second. Okay guys, and choose your platform. I select iOS, but working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices, guys, within a few simple clicks. And very fun step, guys, select your resources, select your coins and select your gems. Okay guys, I select maximum, why not, and wait for loads up. I find this guy online, testing it a few times, and once I saw it work perfectly, I decided to share it with you guys. Okay, and very important step, guys, complete 2 tasks. Okay guys, your boy complete 2 simple tasks, but all of these apps from official App Store or Google Play Store and working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices. And guys, don't use VPN, it might not work. Just use home Wi-Fi running good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. Okay guys, first step is download app. Your boy download 3 app and be right back to complete questionnaire and finally open Cooking Fever app. Your boy installs Swagback simply to game, install Lickstick and maybe set over GX and be right back to complete questionnaire and finally open Cooking Fever. So let's go. Okay my peep, your boy complete all steps, download 3 app and complete questionnaire and finally open Cooking Fever game, guys. Okay, nothing's happening right now. Okay guys, maybe if we go to the store. Okay, everything is there, peep! Unlimited coins and unlimited gems, everything on my account just as I wanted. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys!